Road hazard, tire and wheel coverage. All right. The best time to communicate that to the customer is when you're out at the vehicle, showing off the vehicle. Point out the tires and say, hey, these tires are expensive. These wheels are expensive. But guess what? For the first 6 months of ownership, we're going to cover both of them for you against any hazards you may hit in the roadway that's not supposed to be there. Anything between the curbs that's not supposed to be there, whether it be something as big as a pothole, something as small as a nail. If you blow a tire and it can be repaired, we'll pay to have it fixed. If you blow a tire and it can't be repaired, we will pay to have it replaced. If you break or bend a wheel to the point where it will not hold air, we will replace the wheel for you. Okay? That's road hazard coverage. We're also going to provide you cosmetic wheel coverage. If you've ever driven through a fast food restaurant, the drive-through part, or a bank drive-through, you'll notice the curbs are all black, because that's where people rub their tires and rims against the curb. If you scratch your alloy or steel wheel during the first 6 months of ownership, as many wheels as you scratch, we will fix them all. What that'll do for you is not only keep your car looking good, but it'll also help your resale value as well. And we're also going to provide you roadside assistance during the first 6 months. By the way, road hazard, cosmetic wheel, and roadside assistance are all extendable. Check with one of our finance managers and they'll show you how to take that coverage out to 3, 4, even 5 years. All right? So those are other benefits that come with a Motor Trend certified vehicle.